Alright, real quick dessert. I tried this last week, so I'm going to do it a different way. So every once in a while, if I want a dessert, I might use like a tortilla or something, or make some kind of my own pastry or whatever. It's usually done with fruit and or one of my plant protein mixes. So I use this Vega 1 chocolate because this chocolate tastes exactly like chocolate. It's really, really good. So last time I took a tortilla, I warmed up in the pan, got it nice and oily on both sides, and I sprinkled some of this on and some coconut sugar, which is like brown sugar. Came out good, but even with the oiliness that I got on the tortilla, it was a little bit dry, but it tasted really good. So this time around, I'm bringing this guy into the game here, and what I did is I just took a scoop. It doesn't look like a lot, but it will spread, and the tortilla is probably maybe 8 inches, and I'm going to fold it over. So I sprinkled the coconut sugar in there, and I started slowly adding the almond milk, and as you can see, it's like a pasty kind of, I don't know, cookie dough type paste to it. So I'm going to spread that on there, and after this pan warms up, you'll see I'll put the tortilla in, and then after 10 seconds I'll throw it over again so I get it nice and oily, and then I'll let it sit on the one side to almost crisp so I can fold it over, and then I'll throw the top on it after I put that on, fold it over, put the top on, and that should like melt this a little bit. And with the oiling of the olive oil, you can use coconut oil, whatever you want. I don't have any coconut oil on hand. The olive oil don't ruin the taste. It really tasted good. And these tortillas I got are incredibly thin, and they pry apart. Let me show you. So every one that I used so far, you can almost see through it. It's really, really flaky. It's almost like a pastry thing, and it really does taste like that when you overload it with a little oil. And it like almost, you think it's gonna rip in half because it's really, really paper thin, as you can see. But works out excellent for these desserts. So that's what we're gonna do. And I don't have any bananas or anything, but you could put like bananas in there if you wanted. You can do all kinds of things with these tortillas. I usually do like coconut sugar, cinnamon, and then either sliced apples or bananas. You could do a lot of different things. And the cool thing about using like the plant protein, even though it's just a little bit and stuff, at least you know that you're going to get some vitamins and minerals and protein out of it. And it's not just regular chocolate and sugar, you know what I mean? And the coconut sugar, you don't need to use a lot, and it's very low glycemic. And then you use a non-dairy, unsweetened vanilla milk to it, and you got yourself a nice little treat that's not really that bad for you, you know what I mean? Yeah, so I threw this in the pan. I let it sit for like 2-3 seconds, and flipped it over, and you can already see it's starting to bubble and everything. So it'll be done really quickly, and once I get to what level I want it at, where I can still fold it over so it doesn't break, and then I crisp it up after that, you know what I mean? You guys do it however you want. Alright, so I took it out, put it on the cutting board, spread it. Now I'm going to fold it over and put the top on. Alright, little glass of milk, almond milk. Oh, it's too hot to bite in, so I'm going to let it cool for a minute. I'll take a bite to see how moist it is. Stand over here. You could do anything you want. You can make a little thing of vegan whipped cream, get some coconut cream, add a little bit of honey or coconut sugar or whatever sweetener you want, whip it up, put it in the fridge, and use this to dip it in there. See how hot this is. It's kind of hot. I don't know if I could bite that. Nope, I can't. Pause. Yeah, it's good. Still was kind of hot. And it's moist. So it's got a little crispness to it, but it's nice and moist. And I make mine like just sweet, not overly sweet. You can put strawberries in there, bananas, like I said, whatever you want in there. But it's really good. So nice, quick, easy treat. Alright? Lots of love to you. Bye.